Spanish Grammar Review, Elementary Level A1. In this lesson, we'll review key grammar topics from Lessons 1 through 5 of our A1 Spanish course, including demonstrative adjectives,
de,
constructions, direct object pronouns, verbs with the preposition,
a,
and more. Let's begin. Adjectives.
Excelente, buen, buena, mal, mala.
In Spanish, adjectives usually follow the noun. However, some adjectives, such as
Excelente, buen, buena, mal, mala.
typically come before the noun.
Un vuelo internacional. Una excelente pregunta. La mala noticia. Un buen supermercado. De,
Construction. The preposition
de.
means of in English. It can combine with articles or stand alone, depending on the context. Here are its basic forms.
De la. El suelo de la oficina. Del. La entrada del edificio. De.
With no article, used with general, abstract, or uncountable nouns. Often, the noun following
De.
acts as an adjective in English.
La agencia de viajes. Una botella de agua fría.
It is also used to express ownership, usually with the definite article.
La habitación de Frank. Los abuelos de Carmen.
In Spanish, demonstrative adjectives change based on gender and number. This, for masculine nouns, is
Este. Este precio.
this. For feminine nouns is
Esta. Esta revista.
these. For masculine nouns is
Estos. Estos relojes.
these. For feminine nouns is
Estas. Estas iglesias.
that. For masculine nouns is
Ese. Ese producto.
that. For feminine nouns is
Esa. Esa fiesta. Eso.
that is a standalone neutral pronoun.
Con eso. Eso no me gusta. Eso es increíble. Vosotros. Vosotras.
For informal plural you,
Vosotros.
is used when referring to a group that is all male or mixed gender.
Vosotras.
Is used when referring to a group that is entirely female.
Peter y Teresa. ¿Vosotros estáis listas? Lucía y Carmen. ¿Vosotras estáis de vacaciones?
The verb to be in present tense for
vosotros, vosotras.
In Spanish, there are two forms of the verb are for informal plural pronoun you. Each is used in different contexts,
Sois,
is used for permanent or essential qualities.
¿sois de India? Estáis,
Is used for temporary or changeable states.
¿estáis casados?
The verb to be in present tense for
Nosotros, nosotras.
Here are the two forms of the verb are for we,
Somos,
for permanent or essential qualities.
Somos buenas amigas.
estamos,
For temporary or changeable states.
estamos en el trabajo.
Verb conjugation in present tense for we. To conjugate regular verbs for we
Nosotros, nosotras.
in the present tense, you need to remove the verb's infinitive ending and add
Amos, buscamos, tomamos. Hemos, comemos, queremos, podemos, tenemos. Imos, vivimos.
verbs that require the preposition.
A,
Certain verbs of motion, perception, and communication require the preposition
a,
when the direct object is a person. This preposition is often used to indicate direction or relationship with the object. The preposition
a.
is used after verbs like
Esperar, llamar, conocer, visitar, ver, invitar. Esperar a,
to wait for someone,
llamar a,
to call someone,
conocer a,
to meet, to know someone,
visitar a,
to visit someone,
ver a,
to see someone,
invitar a.
to invite someone. Attaching direct object pronouns to infinitives. Direct object pronouns.
Lo, la, los, las.
Attach to the infinitive to indicate who or what is receiving the action.
Lo,
Him, for masculine singular.
conocerlo.
To meet, to know him.
La,
Her, for feminine singular.
esperarla.
To wait for her.
Los,
Them, for masculine plural or mixed group.
visitarlos.
To visit them.
Las,
Them, for feminine plural.
verlas.
To see them, all feminine. And in Spanish.
Y,
Changes to.
e,
When the next word starts with the sound
y,
like,
inteligente.
to avoid repeating similar vowel sounds and improve pronunciation. Use
y
before most words.
simpático y amable.
Use
E
before words starting with the sound.
y padres e hijos. Simpática e inteligente.
Note the following change in spelling.
Feliz, felices, ves, veces.
Great job! Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice, so revisit the lesson as many times as you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.